Are you trying to find out how to reset your forgotten IQ option password? Then you are in the right place. Welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you've ever forgotten your IQ options password and you want to get inside your account, then here is how you do it. First of all, open the IQ option application or website on your device, and once you end up in this login page, inside the login tab, you'll need to click on the reset button right next to forgot password. On the next page, enter your email address or your phone number associated with your account. Once done, click send. Now, enter the verification code that was just emailed to you in the registered email address. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from IQ option. Click on it and then look for the 6-digit verification code inside it. Get back to the IQ option application and type in or paste in the code. Once done, click confirm. On the next page, write down the new password you want to change to for your account. Confirm the password by re-entering it again in the next field, and finally click on save at the top right. Now you have successfully changed your password. In the login page, type in your email or your phone number associated with the account and type in the newly updated password. Finally, click login and you have successfully gotten back to your account, and this time with the newly updated password. Now, even if you forget your password, you know how you can get access to your account and change your password to a new one which you will remember next time easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.